Hi friends, welcome to Creo tutorial. So in today video lecture, we will make this 3D part in Creo parametric. So let's just start it. So as you can see, we will first make this base of rectangular in which the width is 120 and the depth is 90 mm. So we will go in the extrude, click on this plane, click on normal view, click on center rectangle and make one rectangle. Give the dimension 120 by 90. Then we have to give the height of 15 mm here. Click on OK. Give the height of 15 mm and click on OK. So our base is ready right now. Then what we have to do, we'll have to create one curve here. Okay. So for making an curve, we will make this curve on this plane. So go here, click on sketch, click on the normal view. Then here we will go in the center and trace. We will go on the center line and we will first make the center line. Then we will go in the center point arc and create one center arc. Okay, our arc is ready right now. Then we need to give a radius of 120. So give the radius 120 mm. Then we need to give and the inclination of 60 degree. Go on the dimension from here up to here. But before that we will first make the one center line again here. Give the degree here 60 degree. As you can see, our arc is right now ready completely. Then what we need to do, click on OK. Then we will go in the sweep, click on sweep, select this plane and click here. Click on this arrow. So it will come down. Okay. Then we will go on the sketch, go on the normal view and make the two diameter. One diameter is 50, another diameter is 60. So 50 and the 60 mm. For that, click on the circle, make two circles of 50 and the 60. Click on OK. Click on OK. Our part is right now something ready. Okay. Then we need to create this part. For that, we will go on this plane and we will make the circle. We'll make the two circles. One circle is of the diameter 50 and the other circle is diameter 110. Go on the extrude, click on this face, click on the normal view, click on circle, give the dimension, smart dimension, delete. 110. Okay. Click on OK and extrude it. Extrude it up to the thickness of 12 mm. Click on OK. The next is we need to create an hole here. So we will create an hole at last. Okay. The next thing, we will create this portion here. For that, go on this face, click on extrude, click on normal view. Again, create one central. This center line is already ready. So we will make the two circle. One diameter is 40, another diameter is 25. Click on circle, make two circle of 40 and 25. 40, 25. And the height is from the base level, it is 50 mm. So we will give the height distance here 50 mm. Then we need to create one more straight line. Line, go here, click it. Again, go here, click here, click here. Okay. The width is 12 mm. So go on the smart dimension. From here up to here it is 6 mm. From here up to here it is 6 mm. Go on the trim command. For that, we will go on the delete segment, remove this two part. Okay. We will extrude it up to this surface. For that, click on OK. Reverse the direction and we will extrude it to the next and click on OK. So our part is right now almost ready. The main portion is create this detail view B. Okay. For that, we need one plane here at the inclination angle, and the angle is 20 degree from here. Okay. For that, we will go here. We will click on sketch. We will click on normal view. We will click on normal view. Click on center line and make one line here. We will give the angle by the smart dimension. Click this line, and give the inclination at the 20 degree. But it is wrong. Delete it. Click on dimension. Click on this face. Click on this line and give the 20 degree. Okay, right now it is ready. Okay. Click on OK. And I want to create one plane here which is normal to this line, and the distance is, as you can see from this surface, the distance is 6 mm. No, the distance is 9 mm. Okay. Go in the sketch, go in the edit, click on the normal view. Again, create one more center line. Create one center line. Click on this sketch and this line. Click on the 90 degree. perpendicular. Okay, then we need to give a distance here. For that, click here and click here. Give the distance of 9 mm. Click on OK. So our plane should be passes from this point only. Our plane should be passes from this point only. We will create one point here. Click on the point and select this point. Escape. Click on OK. So our plane should be passes from this point. For that, okay. So here the most important step. The most important step, as we can see, we have created the sketch here, in which we have created one line here at the 20 degree, and the other line is perpendicular to this, and the distance is 9 mm. And I want to create a plane which is passes from this point. For that, we will first select this line, click on plane. We will go here and click here on the normal. So it will be normal, but where it is going to stay here, at which point? For that, we will click on control. We will press the control button in the mouse and select this axis. So our plane is at the distance of 9 mm, which is passes from this point. Then click on OK. So here it is very important step. The next thing is we will select this plane, click on sketch, click on normal view. Okay. Again, we will close it, click on datum, click on sketch, click on normal view. But we will go here and create one center line here. Okay. After the center line creation, I want to create the rectangle here. I want to create one more rectangle here and at this point. At this point. Okay. For that, click on rectangle, click on this point and create a rectangle here. As you can see, our rectangle is passes from this point, so it is perfectly fine. Then we need to give a dimension here. The dimension is 32 by 32. Okay, so the dimension is 32 by 32, and we will extrude it up to the body. Click on OK, click on extrude, and here select the to the next and click on OK. Again, we will go here, extrude, cancel it, cancel, extrude, click on the normal view. Again, go in the circle, and we will create an we want to create an hole here. We want to create an hole here of 90 mm and depth is 6 mm. So for that, click on circle, 90 mm, click on OK. In the reverse direction, depth is 6 mm. Click on OK. Again, click here. Again, click here. Click on extrude. Click on the normal view. One more circle, and the whole diameter is 10 mm. Click on OK. In the reverse direction, remove the material and extrude it. Okay. So as you can see, our hole is ready right now. We will go here, click on shading with edges. The next thing is we want to create an hole here. For that, go here, click on the extrude, normal view, circle, hole, click on OK, reverse the direction, remove the material and hold it. Click on OK. So our hole is right now ready. As you can see, this is the circle in which the inner diameter is 50 mm. So we have not created an hole here. For that, we will go here, click on extrude, click on normal view, circle 50 mm diameter, click on OK, reverse the direction, and we will extrude it up to the 50 mm and the remove the material. Click on OK. Okay. What we need to do is we want to create and cut here. I want to create and cut here. For that, click on this face, click on the extrude, click on the normal view. Again, go in the line. Remove this incident and both is equal. And this distance is 70 mm. Smart dimension from here up to here, it is 70. Click here, click on coincident. Here both are equal. So 70 divided by 2 is equal to 30. Okay. Smart dimension from here up to here, it is 35. And the height is 3 mm. For that, click on the smart dimension. Click here, give the height of 3 mm. Our part is ready. Click on OK. Reverse the direction. Through all. Remove the material. Click on OK. So it is cut. It is cut. Fully cut. The next is we need to create an fillet, and the diameter of the radius of the fillet is 15 mm. Okay. We will go in the round, circular. The radius is 15 mm. Click on OK. Click on this all the 4 edges and click on OK. The next is we need to create an hole here. The hole is of 18 mm. The upper die is 18. For that, click on hole. We need to create a standard hole in which counter bore, hole here. Drilled. but our system is right now in the inches, and we have create the hole is in the mm. So we will not create hole by direct hole series. We will learn it in the different video. So I am creating hole right now by the direct extrude command. Click on OK. Click on the normal view. Click on circle and create an the diameter of the hole is 18 mm. Again 18 mm. Click on OK. Reverse the direction, and the depth of the hole is 8 mm. Click on OK. Again we will hole the diameter of the 11 here. Extrude. Click on this face. Click on the normal view. Click on circle. Click on 11 mm. Click on OK. Click on the reverse the direction and click on OK. Our hole is right now ready completely. The next thing, we need to create a chamfer here of 2 mm. Click on chamfer, 2 mm. Click on this edge. Click on OK. Chamfer is ready. The next is we need to create a fillet, and the the radius of the fillet is not right now given here. As you can see here, this fillet is of 3 mm, but we will consider it as a 3 mm. For that, we will go in the fillet round, give the radius of 3 mm, select this edge, this edge, this edge, and again this edge. Click on OK. Again, we will go here in the fillet command, in the round command, 3, 3, 3, and 3. And click on it. As you can see, the fillet is given here, completely ready. The last step is to create a hole here. For that, we will go here, click on the extrude, click on the normal view, click on first, click on the circle, make one circle here of the diameter is 8 mm. The dia is 8 mm. Okay, and the distance is at the 90 mm. So smart dimension, click on the center line, create center line, distance is 90. So here the distance is given 45. Click on OK, reverse the direction and click on OK. Ready? The next thing is create a pattern, geometric pattern. Direction is an axis, select this axis and give here the 6. How many holes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. At the distance of 6 with 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60. Click on OK. The hole is completely ready. We will go here and deselect one. So our completely entirely body will be appear here. Okay. So likewise, I have created this part. In this SolidWorks, it is very easy to create because the plane creation is easy, and the different step we will create combined. Like as you can see, if we can create this, we can create this entire portion by the extrude only. We will create uh, this sweep portion by the bus only one single line command. But in the Creo, it is the different step. We need to create an different step here, as you can see. So that's why it is very difficult. And the important things is in this tutorial is to create this plane. It is very important. So in this tutorial, we have learned about the different things. The first thing is how to create an extrude, how to create an hole, how to select the, how to create a plane, how to create fillet, chamfer, hole, and the circular patterns. So these entire things we have learned in the one single video. So I have completed extrude command, level command is remaining, sweep command, okay, hole, round, chamfer, pattern, plane, axis, points. So all this command is entirely cover up in this single video. Okay guys, if you like this video, then please do subscribe and share with your friends. And this YouTube channel is for education purpose. And if you like it, then please do comment what you want to uh, required in the next video. And if you got help, then please do comment. Thank you very much, guys.